If you caught the last episode, you know we were fishing with Captain Jason Stock, out searching for blackfin tuna, and we got him. Gotcha, got him. You know, we got a ton of footage, and after 11 o'clock here, we're thinking we need a part 2. There's no way we could fit all this footage into one episode, so we had to put it into another one. This was an opportunity for us to go inside, fish for a little different species, and we absolutely had a ball. You'll definitely want to see this. Inward we go, and we get to a ledge. Stock goes back here, throws the chum basket over the back, and starts throwing chunks of bonita out the back. And all of a sudden, a monster group of mangrove snappers start rising to the surface. Stock is losing his mind. That's what, I mean, honestly, I get excited just thinking about just his excitement of watching those fish rise.
Oh, dude. Oh, God, they're already up to the surface. Yeah! It's on, dude. And he's on. Look at them. Oh, they're eating the chunks. I swear. Yeah, they're fired up.
I see them, yeah.
Boom, boom. All right.
Yeah,
They're charged. They're charged up.
Got him that time.
Mangies. Daddy likes to eat mangies.
Oh, yeah.
I need results. Huh? Dude.
Oh.
Let's go!
Oh, come on.
Let him suck a little bit. How many we want to grease of these things?
It's up to you, man.
I like to eat some snapples.
I mean,
Doug.
back home, that looked like catfish bait, man.
Get in there. El Gato. Oh, dude, they're frothing. Oh, there's some red snapper coming up to the surface, too.
Good. I'm coming in right here. Coming in right
Look at them all. Dude. Heavy froth. All right, we're on. Oh, we're greasing them. Need results, need results. Oop, you on, Poppy? Oh, let's go!
Oh.
Con, make it con. All right, let's go. Nice, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Daddy likes.
Look at the size of that mangrove.
Well, I thought you said the chunk was too big.
Yeah, that's a stud.
We pull up the mangoes, they're already frothing and they're coming up in the chum slick. So you know you're gonna catch them as soon as they come up. And I mean, they can get leader shy and this and that, but you know you're gonna have your opportunity to. That's the big thing is you get those windows and you better be ready for it.
After we caught a couple snapper and put a few in the box, the fish got a little smart. They started settling down a little bit, and we just had to get a little bit more technical on them. Drop down in leader size and change up the bait. We gave them a little different look. We put some pinfish down on the same jig heads and caught more fish. It's just kind of changing with what's happening as it goes. It's not 100% static across the board. You have to kind of go with the flow. And in order to put more fish to the boat, we make those changes, and it worked.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
Daddy? Oh.
Pelagic, I think. Unless it's Daddy. Ooh. No, he was going. Uh-oh.
What's it feel like?
Uh-oh, size large. Come on, don't be a red snapper. Be that Daddy, man. Oh yeah, Poppy.
Oh, good one.
I can't call if it's a pinky or... Oh, it looks like a mango. Oh yeah. Large.
Large?
Pretty large.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Daddy likes. Oh yeah, Daddy likes, Daddy likes. Mangus Khan in the flesh. Let's
Ooh.
go!
That's the one. That's getting much, much closer to that. God, look how fat he is.
He kind of cut out heavy. All right, so he is 5 pounds.
Solid work. God, he's a fat one too,
They are
man.
pretty, aren't they?
God.
Well, the nice thing is sometimes when you get a chance to fish with another captain or guide or whatever you want to call it, basically like we're both on the same page. We're after the same goals. You know, we don't have to like, hey, do this. It was just like natural, like, all right, just put out the bait, do this, go here. Nah, it's funny the different personalities. We were talking about the different personalities you fish with and kind of interact with and that are in the game of charter fishing. There's a lot of different ones. Right around this depth, it definitely gets like Nat Geo. I mean, you don't know what's gonna show up out here. We haven't even put out a flat line yet because the mangoes are chewing really good, so.
Yes, they are.
I mean, we might as well get some dinner. We got some tuna, we got some snapper. Believe me, nice this one. Let's let them eat on this one. We're just farming them right now.
Just farming them. Oh, God. Oh.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, yeah.
Better one?
Yep, feels good.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Almost like that little circle hook. I don't know if I have any small circle ones, the hog bowl ones.
Woo.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Which one did you go? You went with the hog ball. Oh.
Oh.
I know, I went with Sneaky Pete, but they're still fine with that one, so I might.
Yep. Oh,
We're back.
we're back.
Not that big.
If he doesn't qualify, just toss him.
Yeah, we'll be nice to him. See? We're just going large harvest. So we're just gonna be nice to him.
The cool thing is, after a long day on the water, you get back to the dock. You know you got some fish to clean, but we're just chilling out there, clean some fish, and we had a great time telling jokes, telling stories. That's what the end of the day, fishing with some friends, is about. And I really look forward to the opportunity to do it again.
Dude, I'm glad that weather held off for us to get out there where I caught those tuna yesterday.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a big deal. I mean, this time of year, especially with these approaching cold fronts, I mean, we're in February. This is
Right.
winter. So like, I mean, to get like sweet weather for this time of year, it's definitely appreciated.
No doubt. Well, we both spend a lot of time on the water. We know that those days are sometimes few and far between. But I'm super happy about what we got. He's my first Blackfin.
Yeah.
I know that it might seem a little hard to, accept, but the truth is, I don't spend enough time out there.
Yeah, no
you're going
doubt.
way out.
Oh yeah. No, they get in closer. I mean, closer. I catch them within like 15 miles. I mean, that's close. But yeah, we made the charge today, and luckily we had the weather to do it,
Yeah, I think we had everything going for us today as far as weather-wise. To be able to take that Pathfinder, that far out and really handle it no problem. The bait and preparation is a big key of it, as we talked about this morning.
Oh yeah. So we didn't have to mess with it in the morning. We just we pulled the traps in the morning, but that was not a big deal. I mean,
Yeah.
we were done catching the tuna by noon, really.
Yep.
And then
We went,
go catch some mangoes,
and they were
I mean,
fired up.
They were fired up. I mean, it's funny, like we lost a couple, and then they kind of get a little shy for a second.
Like they caught on to us?
Oh, 100%. But, you know, that's what keeps them there, and they don't eat all the time, and honestly, we got plenty of meat, and everybody's stoked, caught plenty of fish. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. As we're filleting these fish up, you know, Stock says, I'm gonna break out the soy, and I kind of looked at it, the crew looked at me, and we all thought it was a joke. Moments later, he brings the soy sauce, slaps it down on the table. We're ready, boys.
I'm just cutting up some little sushimi pieces just off the, we'll get the.
It don't get any fresher than that, buddy.
Nah.